Hey guys, welcome to my fifth video, I think. Yeah. So I'm gonna teach you how to make this landmine thing today. So when I step on the landmine, as you can see here, I end up exploding. So yeah, when you step on the red thing, you explode. And I'm gonna teach you how to do this today. So this might be the first tutorial that I fully show me building the landmine and the stuff I'm teaching, because usually I don't really do that just so it's faster, but I think some of y'all can get confused by what I'm trying to do here, and so I decided that it's kind of better for me to just build it in video. Oh my gosh. Just okay, finally. Damn. Okay, so you're gonna do this. I think I can increase. So yeah, basically you don't need to do this. If you want, you can only put the red part, but since I was gonna stylize the landmine a little bit more, I just wanted to show you guys what I'm doing. So yeah, I'm gonna name this landmine, and I am gonna name the red part pressure part, and I'm gonna put a script inside the pressure part. I'm gonna name it the so local pressure part equals script.Parent. So we can make a PressurePart.Touched connected to a function hit, which basically we're getting when the pressure part is hit, and we're gonna get the thing that hit it. So I'm gonna put three, instead of just two, I'm gonna put three variables over here. Local char equals hit.Parent. Local humanoid equals char.humanoid. Let me just copy this. Oh my god. I'm gonna name this HRP because it's gonna be the humanoid root part. So we can just check if the humanoid's there. Humanoid, then return. Okay. So now we can make a local explosion. Oh, and also this checks if the humanoid root part inside the character, just so we don't use the humanoid. Like your Unnecesary touches the landmine, or another part touches the landmine, and so on. Okay, so local explosion equals instance.new explosion. So this is the explosion item is kind of like an item that when it's added, it creates an explosion, but it doesn't kill the player. So actually, I never tested. Explosion.Parent is gonna be equals to humanoid root part, and we're gonna put the Explosion.Position to humanoid root part. .Position. So if we playtest the game, as you can see here, yeah, when I press the explosion, it kills me. Oh wow, I didn't know that it automatically killed you. Yeah. Yeah, don't get me wrong, I don't know everything about Roblox Studio and stuff. In my original script, I put there that you will die, but like, you didn't even need to put humanoid health to 0. Okay guys, sorry, you can remove the humanoid part because you can just replace this with humanoid root part instead, sorry. So as you can see here, when I press the landmine, I die. And I generally explode. So yeah, thank you for watching this tutorial. Yeah, I think this was one way shorter. Yeah, this was a tutorial that's way shorter. Okay, so managed to post daily still with school. I mean, in February my school is gonna be like a lot more easier for me because I'm just getting started on 7th grade and stuff. But in March, I don't really know if in March and forward I'm gonna be able to post a daily. But yeah, I'm gonna try my best to upload as fast as I can for you guys, like daily. And if it's not daily, then I'm gonna try posting like pretty frequently. But yeah, thank you guys for watching this tutorial. And also, I wanted to say that I'm not gonna only do tutorials with this channel. I'm also planning on making some experiments and some challenges in this channel too. Okay, so yeah, thank you guys for watching this, and see you in the next video. Bye, orange version.